Today I'm coming to you from the Magical Butter Kitchen, and we're going to put together an herbal mixture for allergies. Hi, my name is Bob Linde. I'm an acupuncture physician and registered herbalist from the Tradition School of Herbal Studies. There's really 4 herbs that I love to combine together. And even though there's different reasons why people may have allergies, whether it's seasonal allergies, food allergies, and so forth, this one is particularly helpful if your allergies tend to show up in your head. Sinuses, eyes, just an overall not feeling very well. So we're going to use a couple of different ones. We're going to use honeysuckle, and I actually use the Chinese medicine version, the Jin Yin Hua, astragalus, also known as Huang Qi in Chinese medicine, stinging nettles, and elderflower. Going to use equal proportions of each one of these herbs, and so really just to make about 1.5 cups, which I'll sip over the space of an hour and probably repeat that multiple times a day. I'm just going to make up 1 teaspoon, 1 rounded teaspoon of each one of these. Use hot water just off of boil and let it steep for about 15 minutes. Strain those herbs out and it'll actually taste decent, which isn't very often. If you want to, you can use a little bit of honey if you're not ready to handle those herbal flavors, and you'll see very fast results. If you do get a little bit of a hot flash, what we call release exterior or diaphoresis, then you might want to just cut your dosing back a little bit. Just means you have a little too much elderflower. This combination can also be used if you've been exposed to a cold and flu or just overall well-being. So if you're dealing with allergies, minimize your exposure, look at all the great things that you can do to eliminate your allergies, but most importantly, use the herbs that are in your local area, and very likely many of these herbs do grow in your area. An herbal mixture like this can keep you from having to go down to your local pharmacy, taking either over-the-counter or pharmaceutical drugs. This is safe, effective, and tastes pretty darn good. This is Bob Linde coming at you from the Magical Butter Kitchen, talking to you about recipes for allergies.